leaders for today. Bago po natin umpisa ng ating induction, gusto po namin i-acknowledge ang presence ng ating mga leaders dito at sila pang sumusuporta. Of course, kayo rin sumusuporta sa Forever Young Senior Society. Unahin po natin ang ating guest speaker, si Honorable Adrian Dix. Ang ating MLA sa Joyce Springs Mike, there he is. Meron po tayong Lady President, of course, ng New Era Society, Colonel de Peralta. Of course, we have significant other, Mr. Delphine Arsiaga. Siyempre, hindi ko kakalimutan yung Vice President ng Confica, at the same time ay President ng PhilVets, si Ginoong Fernando Salanga. Rose Salanga. There she is. Rose, Manang Rose. And sa Zodiac Circle po, we have key officers dito, si Attorney and Mrs. Eladio Estrada. Sa Zodiac Circle po naman sila. Meron po kami surprise sa inyo. Alam po ninyo, ang Together Again ay namahinga na si Governor Santiago. And we would like to acknowledge ang kanilang new leader of the Together Again, Lina Danesa! Kayo kanina bagong magtatapos sa Together Again. At ang kanilang mga other officers ay si Robelio Pino, he's one among them. We have Manrique, si Rode Arce, siya pang Vice President pero wala po siya, nasa Pilipinas. At siyempre si Vanji, si David Garcia. Sabi ko nila, Together Again daw ay together forever and ever. Totoo ba yan? Okay, now we're going to proceed to the induction of officers. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be witnessing the induction of officers who will be serving 2 years dito. Bago po ang lahat, ay tawagin po natin si Mr. Romy Mercado. At siya po magbibigay ng i-introduce po ang ating guest speaker. Let's give a big hand to Romy Mercado.
Today, the Forever Young Senior Society is honored to have a distinguished guest who grew up in Vancouver, graduated from the University of British Columbia, and lives in the Collingwood neighborhood area. Prior to entering politics, he has a vast experience and with impressive credentials. Once a non-profit director, an education community leader, a government strategist, and a media commentator. He served as the Chief of Staff to then Premier Glenn Clark from 1996 to 1999. His political career blossomed when he was elected as the MLA for Vancouver Kingsway Riding on May 17, 2005. He is currently the opposition Deputy House Leader and as opposition critic for health. And he is considered as the toughest critic, especially those affecting children and family. He is a strong supporter and friend of Filipino community. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the emerging superstar of NDP and the comeback king of PC politics, the Honorable Adrian Dix.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I wanted to say one of the problems of being a guest speaker is when the person introducing you is a better speaker than you are. and is also wearing a nicer suit. But I wanted to pay tribute to all the work that Forever Young has done over the last few years. This crowd and all of you are I think, a testament to all the work that's been done by the outgoing board. What we're going to do today is something really important. It's to inaugurate and to bring into place a new board of Forever Young. And the responsibilities you have when they're looking out for all of the people in this room are significant. So it's an exciting event. There's dancing, it's fun, but it's also a solemn event because it reflects the seriousness and the hard work that volunteers put on so that the society can succeed. So I want to pay tribute particularly to Romy, but everyone on the board, because it's that kind of volunteering spirit that you see in many of the societies represented here today that makes our city the city it is. It's a great place to live, and it's because people like Romy, like the outgoing board, and like the people who are volunteering to take part in the board today, it's because of them, their efforts, their commitment, their volunteering spirit, their willingness to give of themselves to make things better for everyone. That makes Vancouver a great place to live, and that makes the Forever Young Senior Society a great place to come and spend an afternoon every month together and enjoy each other's company. So I want to thank Romy. I want to thank all of you. I'm looking very much forward to the induction ceremony. I should say one last thing. How many people here saw the inauguration of President Obama last week? So I want you to know, though, that the words are very important. So you know what happened there was when they inaugurated the president, they got the words wrong and they had to do it again the next day. So we're going to work very hard today to get all of the words right, and there's a lot of pressure on me. A lot of pressure on me because it was the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court that blew it, and I caused him to do it again. So there's a lot of pressure. And the reason is that it's important. So I hope all of you will listen to the commitment that people are making and really pay tribute to your new board. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. And let's get on with the ceremony, induction ceremony.
Thank you so much, Honorable Adrian Dix. And now we're now going to call the officers and directors of Forever Young Senior Society to be inducted by the Honorable Adrian Dix. I'd like to call first on the Board of Directors,